Hello friends, this is Evelina from Shrinjan Dance Academy, and today I'm going to talk about exercises that are required for a dancer. First, you need to remember that you need to divide your exercise schedule into 3 categories, right? When you are going to dance, you need a lot of energy, and for that the blood circulation, the blood flow in the entire body needs to be improved. So for that you need a pulse raiser. So the first thing is a pulse raiser. So what can you do for that? Is simple jogging, right? At one place, or if you want to go around, or if you want to walk, of course not very slowly, or if you simply want to jump around, okay, jogging, jumping, walking, all these kinds of simple exercises work as a pulse raiser for you. Once that is done, the second thing you should concentrate on is the mobilization of your joints. Different joints of the body needs to be mobilized, starting from your toes till your head. So how to go about it? First, focus on your toes, ankles, heels. Move them round like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise, whichever way possible. Next joint comes in your body are the knees. So either you move it this way, or simply bend down, go up like that. The ball and socket joint, for that also you can move clockwise, or you may move anti-clockwise. This joint needs to be loosened up. So simply throw your legs like this side or this side. The point is that just mobilize whichever joint is possible. Next come your shoulders. Move them round, okay, bring them front, take them back, move them round. Your elbows also, this way. Very important part for a Kathak dancer are the wrists. So move your wrists also properly, loosen up the fingers, do like this, okay, or simply pull them. Once this portion is done, neck and head, this part can be covered up together. Move them in a circular manner like this. All right, move them up, down, sidewise. See, these are the things which can also be done while doing Griba Bhed and Shirobhed, because you are actually moving all the limbs, everything, when you are doing this kinds of Brida. So that will help you to mobilize this portion of your body. The pulse raiser thing is done, the mobilization thing is done. The last thing in your list is the stretching part. Now stretching, as we do simple stretchings like this, okay, this is possible, this is possible. Then you can simply go up on your toes like this, heels one by one or together. If I stand like this, then these muscles are stretching, right? Then bend like this part of your body gets stretched. Go the other side also, this part of your body gets stretched, okay? Whatever you do, like this, whichever way you want, just ensure that your exercise routine should have these 3 categories: the pulse raiser, the mobilization and the stretching part. Once you are through with all these things, your body will actually be ready to release the energy which you need for your dance. Hope you have enjoyed. Keep learning and keep utilizing these things. Thank you so much.